How to connect Google Sites to GoDaddy custom domain. So the first step is to simply go to Google Sites and then simply open the website that you want to connect to GoDaddy custom domain. So what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on this arrow in the top right corner and then simply go to publish settings. Now the next step is to simply click on manage, as you can see under custom domain. So simply click on that, and then here what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on start setup, then simply enter your domain. So I'm gonna enter a random domain for this tutorial, but here you're gonna have to add your own domain, and as you can see you're gonna have to verify your ownership. So simply click on this button and then you're gonna get redirected here. Now the next step is to simply click on continue, and then we're gonna have to verify. So as you can see here, you have to select the record type. So I'm gonna go with CNAME, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply go to GoDaddy, and after you after you log into your account, what you're gonna have to do is simply add these two records. As you can see, you have CNAME host and CNAME target. So what you're gonna have to do is simply log in and then click on your domain name, and then you're gonna have to simply go to DNS and then go to DNS records and then simply add these two values and then simply click on verify, and that's all. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.